Hi everyone, it's Angela and the back of Naren from Gracefield Physio Pain Slayers, and we're just talking about TENS machines. So I don't know if anyone's heard of a TENS machine before, but it's a great little portable unit that can be used if you've got chronic back pain and you're at home. So if you need some pain relief, there is some evidence to show that this can be helpful. So they come just in this little box. It's a little battery operated machine. It's very easy to use. Your physio will normally work out the settings for you, but that's all it is. 2 leads attached to it and then 4 electrodes. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to place on Naren's back. I'm not putting them in any particular place at the moment for any particular treatment. I'm just showing you that it's easy to stick these electrodes on, and you want to make sure that they stay a fair distance from each other so they're not touching each other at all. So we stick them on, they will stay on, and then you just turn the dials up until you feel the pins and needles underneath the electrodes. So your physio can set it up. We can set it up for a timer for 30 minutes so it'll go off, but it might be something that can help you at home if you've got some chronic lower back pain.